Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about PHP basic things that mean PHP tags and comments and also variables. This basic thing is really important because when we're doing the PHP programming, when we new to PHP programming, we have to learn these things. Otherwise, we can't continue. We need knowledge about these basic things. Let's jump into the examples, and I will explain while I'm doing the examples. And those are actually really simple things. Today I'm going to do because you can understand these things really easily. And let's jump into the example. Okay, PHP means actually it is a server-side scripting language, and to process the PHP to identify that server need to identify PHP scripts. To that we need to start from PHP like this within the PHP tag. Inside of this tag, we can create PHP code. Without these tags, the server can't understand it is PHP. And also, we don't need PHP. That means to run the PHP code, to write the PHP code, we don't need file ending with the .php. That means this file, as you can see, it is ending with the .php extension. But to add the PHP code, we don't need we don't need to end the file with .php. We can inside of this tag we can write any PHP code within the HTML file as well. Let's do that first. I will create HTML file here. Let's say index.html. I will add the HTML code. Now we have HTML. This is a HTML file. Let's echo this as h1 tag. Uh, um, dot html, and let's go to browser. Let's try index.html. Here you can see this is HTML, and we can add a PHP code to this HTML like this PHP. Let's say echo. I need to change my PHP. Here we can say echo as like this. Um, PHP. Let's go to that same page. As you can see, it will return I'm PHP. That means this is PHP code. That means it is PHP. To run this, that means to run PHP code within the HTML extension, we need to tell the server. That means using we need to add that means server side, that means Apache side don't know inside of the HTML file that PHP also coming. That means we need to tell that Apache server to it can be have a PHP code as well. To add that configuration, we need to add this file, this htaccess file to our root directory. It says that it has PHP, that means it need to process using the PHP processor. This is the that means we can run PHP codes within the HTML as well, and also here here we can use the short tag. PHP has short tag thing, that means we can without PHP name we can just write like this. It will echo. We can get the same result. That means it's like a PHP echo result. Same result comes with that way. That means this is a short tag. To use the short tag, we need to enable the short tag within the PHP config file. Uh, let's say uh, let's say here within in my case I am using xvam. Here we need to config these things with the php file. Yeah, those are the basic thing regarding PHP. That means PHP tag related basic things. PHP not 100% case sensitive, but those are PHP partially case sensitive. And in PHP, keywords like if, else, whiles, echo, and user-defined functions, those are not case sensitive. As an example, I will show you some case sensitive examples. Here we can like this. We can echo like this. Echo using capitals. Hello world. Well, let's say BR also. Okay. Likewise, we can add several ways. That means several echoes. Here we can use this as a totally simple letters, and here we can say echo like this. If we got the result, let's say, as you can see, it will process without any issue. That means that those kind of keywords um, are not case sensitive. But however, all the variables are case sensitive. That means if we echo like this, something, let's say, we create call as in name. Name is Sam. Okay, this name variable value is Sam. We echo this with different ways. Let's say echo uh, my name is dollar. Let's say name. Normally, that means this is use same case as top variable, like variable declarations. Here I will use name as a capital letters. Okay, and also we can create name like this. That mean let's say okay. Now you can see this is first one is same as the declared variable. Second one is capital. Third one is capital and simple. Let's try with this. And yeah, you can see first one is working fine without any issue. And second one trigger the undefined variable name 5. Okay, and third one also return that undefined because it is case sensitive. Here, if we add these two variables like this, uh, sam one, let's say sam one, and other. Okay, here if we use these things, now it's working fine without issue because we already declared those variables. Here, that means these variables case sensitive. And okay, let's talk about the comments. Comments actually, we use comments for that mean those comments are not executable. Those are ignored from the PHP processor. Yeah, we use comments to that mean same developer that as example say that I'm developing some application. 2 years ago I developed application, then I have to do some modification within the application. Then I'm going to code and I can't understand why this code implemented, why I doing these things. Then to remind those things, we can use comments. We can put text comment to the code to understand why that particular developer done such kind of thing. Then it is important when it's go to a new developer or different developer involving with the project because they also can understand comments. Actually, we can use for the to create the comment. We can have two ways. That mean the single line comment. Let's say like this. Um, single line comment like this. Single line comment. This is a single line comment, and also we can add Another way we can add a single line is using a hash key like this. This is also single line comment. Okay, and inside of this we can add PHP without any issue. Comment equal to uh, likewise we can add PHP code in between commits. That means these two, this is the single line comments, and also we can have multiple line comments. That means like this, multiple line comments we can create like this. Sorry. Okay, and this is multi-line comments. Let's say uh, this is multiple line comment. Okay, like this we can describe code if you need. We can add comment to add comment to this line uh, line 2. Likewise, we can add anything inside of comment, this multi-line comment. And as an example, we can add that means we can something in between the line comment we can use to ignore some parts. That means let's say if we have code like this $x equal 5 plus 15 plus 5. This is example. Here within this example, we need to ignore this 15. That means we don't need this 15. We can ignore like this. We can add multi-line comment like this, and we can ignore the that part. It will ignore the that 15. Let's say echo $x. If we go to the browser, let's say it's 10. 10 means it will ignore this middle 15. Likewise, we can use comment like this, and here this is the basic idea behind of the comments, and comments is really important to have because if the code not self-explain, then we have to use some comments because I'm recommend to that mean when we get in the variable names, function names, always try to give meaningful names. That means all we need to give the meaningful names, and that means code need to be a self-explain. We don't need to add any comments to explain the code. Try to explain code using the its variable and function names. It is really important. Variables actually like a data. That means it's like a container. We can store data within the runtime, and variable start from the dollar sign. Like this, you can see here. This is a variable. It is start from the dollar sign, and also variable start from the that mean letter. We can't start from the numbers. It will start from the letter or underscore. That means like this we can use underscore. It's fine. Letter or underscore. We can't start from the numbers. We can't do like this. It will trigger error. We can't do like this. If we run this, let's say if we run this, we can see it will trigger error. We can't start from the numbers. We can start from the underscore and letter here like this. Okay. Um, and also yeah, variable start from the dollar sign, and also variable cannot start with the number, and variable name only containing alphanumeric characters, that mean A to Z, 0 to 9. That means we can use numbers, but we can't start from the numbers, but we can with the middle or end of the variable name we can use numbers like this. We can use it work fine. Yep. Then variable name can only containing alphanumeric and A to Z and 0 to 9 and underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. It is case sensitive. We already talk about that. That means like this. If we put let's say age is 15 and age age 15 and this age and these three are three different variables. That means it will can have different values without any issue. That means those are case sensitive. This is a one variable, this is a different variable, and this is a different variable because according to the meaning it's same, but that character is different. Then it's different for PHP. Um, Remember, PHP variable is case sensitive because otherwise you may define within the start of the programming you name it a simple using simple letters, and if you middle of the page you try to use this using the capital letters, it will not you will not get same value. It will different value. And let's say if we create something like this, let's say a dollar text equal to uh, this is uh, this is a car, okay, something like this. If you want to echo this with the um, within the your text, you can do like this. I love, let's say my I love. You can add here. You can add dollar txt. Uh, okay, this code work fine. It will print this my car with after the I love. Let's try this. As you can see, it will return. That means within the we can use this way double quote. If you use double quote, we can use like this, and also we can do like this as well. Let's say we can do like this dot. This also work fine. And also if we have something a single quote, if we have, let's say we have single quote like this. Sorry, we can't do like this because single quote mean it will not process anything inside of the single quote. It will treat as a string. Let's run this. As you can see, our dollar $txt variable name appear here. It just like it's considered as a string. And also we can use numbers like this, dollar x equal to 5 and dollar y equal to 4, and we can sorry we can echo dollar x plus dollar y. Likewise we can do the things like it's written the 9. You can see it's written the 9, and yeah, and okay, this is the basic that mean variables, comments, syntax tutorial. I hope this video helpful. And yeah, if you think this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. And if you want to see future videos like this, please hit the subscription button. And thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you.